दिखा रही है। आ रही है, धीरे आ रही है।
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। सो सॉरी, आज कुछ टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स का दिन है मुझे लग रहा है, सो apologize for the interference and for the all the problems which are being created. Perfectly audible now. Thank you so much, Vishal Jain. गुड इवनिंग तन्वी जी, वेयर इज ऑल एंड पंकज जी। अभी हम उनको बुला लेते हैं, हम उनसे इतनी जल्दी से एंड अप नहीं करने वाले अपना सेशन, हम उनसे और बातें करेंगे। सो ओके, सो बाय द टाइम कोई और मेंबर हमें ज्वाइन करना चाहेगा? So welcome back again to all of you. Apologies for all the technical faults happening today. Not expecting good evening everyone, again good evening and again welcome back to the live session of Talk. So we have been talking about Talk. Talk is TOC, Team of Creators. It's a construction forum जहाँ हम बहुत सारी कंस्ट्रक्शन, इंटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं एंड ऐसे ही हम लाइव आते रहेंगे, बट येस विद नो टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स। नेक्स्ट टाइम विल मेक इट श्योर कि नेक्स्ट टाइम हमारे पास कोई टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स ना हो एंड इट कीप्स गोइंग ऑन स्मूथ और बहुत अच्छे से चले। So anyone has some questions regarding construction, interiors? So my name is Jyoti and I am an interior designer. I am a part of Talk and I am the designer of the group. So इस ग्रुप में हमारे पास आर्किटेक्ट हैं, डिज़ाइनर हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हैं, इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर से रिलेटेड वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पर्सन इन द ग्रुप। आज हमारे पास स्पॉटलाइट में मिस्टर संजय गोयल जी हैं, मिस्टर पंकज गर्ग हैं। संजय गोयल जी का काम है आर्किटेक्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स में वो डील करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट आउट ऑफ इंडिया एज वेल, और उनके बहुत अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। कुछ लैमिनेट्स हैं जो फ्रंट एलिवेशन पे यूज़ करते हैं और कुछ इंटीरियर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, कुछ सीलिंग है उनके पास, बहुत स्टाइलिश एंड बहुत डिफरेंट है, विच इज़ वेरी फैंसी एंड फैसिनेटिंग ऑल्सो। सो आपकी कोई भी इंक्वायरी आती है रिगार्डिंग इंटीरियर एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन, आप ग्रुप पे डाल सकते हैं और कोई भी इंक्वायरी है आप उनको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली। हमने पेज पे अपने सारे मेंबर्स के धीरे धीरे हम कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स डालते रहेंगे। आप पंकज जी को, संजय जी को कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। संजय गोयल जी इज़ फ्रॉम जयपुर एंड पंकज जी इज़ फ्रॉम दिल्ली। Okay, so by the time we add Sanjay ji and Pankaj ji, so anyone else would like to be a part of this live session? आप अगर मेरे साथ लाइव आना चाहते हैं, मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं, फिर कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं आप पूछना चाहते हैं, तो लेट्स टॉक। आई नो कोविड था, लॉकडाउन था और बहुत सारे कंस्ट्रक्शन के काम हमारे रुक गए थे, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आई, कॉम्प्लिकेशन आई, वो अभी भी चल रही हैं कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन। वी आर ट्राइंग टू सॉर्ट इट आउट डे बाय डे ऑन ऑल आवर पार्ट्स। सो किसी की कोई क्वेरीज हैं, कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। आप अपने कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हैं, आप मुझे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मेरी वीडियो में, लाइव सेशन में। अभी इस बार हमारे पास 2 स्पॉटलाइट मेंबर्स थे, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम डेफिनेटली और कुछ मेंबर्स लेकर आएंगे विद इंटरेस्ट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इंटीरियर कंस्ट्रक्शन टॉक्स। ओके, सो वी हैव संजय जी विद अस, मिस्टर संजय गोयल, एंड let us welcome Mr. Sanjay Goyal from Jaipur, the owner of Vibrant Technique, who is dealing into all architectural products. So he'll be with us very, very, very soon, within a fraction of seconds. Mr. Sanjay Goyal is an engineer. He has passed IIT, great thing. And he is very knowledgeable. उनका सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, इंडिया से बाहर भी काम है। Okay, again audio issue. जी तो जी तो मुझे ईयरफोन ला के दियो मुझे जल्दी से। हाँ हाँ हाँ, जल्दी 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 जल्दी। ओके, अब क्या मुझे आप सुन पा रहे हैं? कैन यू हियर मी? प्लीज टाइप इन द कमेंट। कैन यू हियर मी राइट नाउ? आप सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं?
आ गए।
वेलकम संजय जी।
Hello, sorry, very sorry for the technical glitch. I think
No
we were trying
problem.
very
I
hard,
think
struggling.
yeah. I think आज थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम रहा है।
और आपका वॉल्यूम बहुत कम आ रहा है, आपका we are not barely You are barely audible.
Can you hear me right now?
No, we cannot.
Now can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but it's very, very slow. I don't know. The volume, you have to increase the volume probably.
I have increased the volume, but I don't know.
It's increasing now. Increase. Keep increasing.
Increasing.
Yes.
Okay. So I can speak loudly then.
Yeah, better. We will be able to manage.
Okay. So I think we have a wonderful audience today who has been supporting us all the time. जो voice कैसी है कैसी नहीं है और interact कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ. Thank you so much everyone. आप हमें support कर रहे हैं.
Thank you, audience. Thanks. It's a
So
small
अब
group
हमारी yes.
of TOC, Team of Construction. We are a group of like-minded friends, business entrepreneurs who have one product or another about the construction industry. We have people joining from all over India, from Bombay, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Vapi, Jaipur, Delhi. So this is our first session. So excuse us for all the goof-ups which have happened. Jyoti ji has tried her best to accommodate us, but we are slightly old people, probably not that technology savvy. Next time we'll try to do it on Instagram. Facebook has a lot of goof-ups. So yeah,
Yes.
Jyoti, we can start the session now. And
Okay.
try to
So welcome to the live session of Talk. And Mr. Sanjay is a very respected member of our group, and उनको he is full of knowledge. उनके पास बहुत knowledge है, knowledge का भंडार है वो हमारे group के. तो हम आपसे कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे आपके products, आपकी company के बारे में. और we have been waiting to hear from you. So please Sanjay ji, stage is all yours.
Thank you very much, Jyoti. Thanks a lot. I'm representing my company, Vibrant Technique. We are into architectural materials from some of the leading European brands, some of the finest brands we are trying to bring in here in Jaipur. It's in India. It's a 10 years old company. And the brands we represent is first one, the Barisol from France. Barisol is a stretch ceiling brand. I'll elaborate later on as to what stretch ceilings are all about. Then the other brand we are representing is the company called Trespa from Netherlands, through whom we offer high pressure laminates. These are wood-based products which are used in building exteriors. These are used in hospitals, chemical laboratories, as furniture, laboratory furniture, all those. Then we are representing a German company called Karlstahl Architecture for a range of stainless steel ropes and rope meshes, which are used for green walls, for the balustrades, for the safety, mostly in schools and commercial projects. And we have a whole range of aluminum louvers, which are used in building facade. So trying to bring in whatever latest is there in Europe to our Indian friends and projects, so that in India also we create buildings, we build buildings which generations remember and the world sees. That is what
Wow.
the objective is.
So अपनी building को खूबसूरत बनाना है तो needs to contact Mr. Sanjay Goyal. So I hope you'll make our buildings more beautiful. First कहते हैं ना, first impression is the last impression. तो हम किसी भी building में enter करते हैं, सबसे पहले building का front elevation देखते हैं. ये how is it look like. तो आप masters हैं उसके अंदर building को खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए. So you deal in all residential and commercial projects, right?
So should we start with the Barisol or should we start with the facade products, Jyoti? I think
Okay,
Barisol would be
so
more
let us
interesting
start with
for
the
the audience.
Barisol. Yes, yes. We
Barisol
would like
is
to
a
know
stretch
more about
ceiling. Now,
Barisol.
these are PVC sheets. PVC sheets, specialized PVC sheets which are stretched, heated and stretched, and then you mount it. We put an aluminum frame in the periphery, and under very, very high tension, we stretch these sheets by about 7%, and then tuck these into the aluminum profile so that straight, very straight, even sheet ceiling is created. Like I told you earlier, people generally use POP ceilings, they use gypsum ceilings, but they are not that perfect. Whatever good you may do, These ceilings cost now about 150 to 200 rupees a square foot, but still you don't get that perfection. How much money, however money you may spend, but with our ceilings, it's absolutely flat, and that's the reason why the top architects and designers worldwide, the Zaha's office in London, Jean Nouvel, whomsoever you talk of, they use Barisol exclusively. It's the mother brand of stretch ceilings worldwide. We have a lot of options like there can be non-backlit ceilings and there can be backlit ceilings. Backlit ceilings from in which the light comes from behind. So this acts as an indirect light source also as well as the ceiling. So we do big retail showrooms, car showrooms. We do residences, very high-end residences with these things. If you have a closet room where you change the dress and all that, that gets lit. The bathrooms can use these type of backlit ceilings. And the third type we have are the mirror ceilings. See, mirrors are a fantastic product, but the problem is they are very heavy and you can't use them in ceilings because there is a risk to the lives of the people underneath. So we have some sheets which look like real mirrors in beautiful colors like natural mirror, black, copper, rose gold, about 7 different colors, very lightweight sheets. These are stretched and then they work as a real mirror. So these are generally used in constricted spaces. Like if you have small bathrooms in a flat, but you want to give a visual appeal, a big visual appeal, use our mirror ceilings. They will escalate the space. That will look bigger then. You know? The perceived space volume will increase significantly. Then we have beautiful prints. Prints we generally associate with the advertising stuff and all that. But when it comes to residential and corporate projects, the Barisol prints are very, very exclusive, highly exclusive. They come from France and nobody is able to match that level of printing quality. We give a real 3D effect. And the beauty of these prints is even when you stretch the sheets by 7% to 10%, they don't crack. They remain as it is. So people want to create themes. Like we have tied up with the museums of Europe, the top museums of Louvre in Paris, where there are paintings of the old French art, European art, which are millions of dollar paintings, like Mona Lisa, people must have uh, listened about. So these are millions
Yeah.
of dollar paintings. We have a complete brochure. You select a painting and then we will customize it for your wall or ceiling. And then these are backlit. So you get that real effect. So we can make a wow space like in your drawing rooms or spaces like those just at about 2000 to 2500 rupees a square foot, backlit European art, world class. And it will look like oil on canvas effect. When you see these prints, they will not look like prints. They will look like real oil on canvas. That is the promise. So very, very high-end print qualities we do. We have done a lot of hotel projects, bars, pubs with these prints. And these are used in the swimming pool area. A lot of people now in Bangalore, high-end Bangalore, they have their own swimming pools. And in swimming pools, the ceilings play a very important role. So sometimes people go with the mirror ceilings. Sometimes they want the cloud effect, curved ceilings, the concave shaped ceilings. So it escalates the spaces like swimming pools. Okay, we've done a couple of swimming pool projects pan India. So anybody coming up with a high-end Bangalore with a big swimming pool, we can create ceilings. Also, we can create star effect, like in audio video rooms where the ceilings are generally dark. We use black lacquered ceilings or black matte ceilings. We can create that starry effect using optical fibers. So it will be like twinkling stars, okay? A very, very real effect of creating starry sky in your own house or home, okay? So that is what we do. The idea is to bring in the best, whatever is latest in US and Europe to the Indian customers' doorstep. And besides that, we have a whole range of acoustics. What we do is we do super fine perforations in these ceilings, and then there a gap is created between the ceiling and the true ceiling, our Barisol ceiling and the true ceiling, a gap of about 200 mm, 8 inches, and whatever sound waves are there, they don't get reflected. These pass through these super fine holes, and there is no echo in the space. So for spaces like auditoriums, where the music concerts go on, the idea is if a sitar is playing at the stage, the leftmost person sitting on the leftmost side and the one sitting on the rightmost side, both of them should hear the same tunes, the same frequency of sitar or guitar or the music. Okay, there should not be any variation in all the auditoriums. So we work with acoustic experts. Our consultant here is the top German acoustic consultant who is guiding Barisol as to which frequencies to control in which spaces. So we'll give you a lot of technical input when designing acoustical spaces for you. So if any one of you is designing these type of auditorium projects, schools, okay, these acoustic ceilings would be a wonderful addition to make the spaces world class. Then the latest addition is a product called climatization, in which what we are doing is we are removing these AC boxes. Like you have cassette ACs in the rooms, you have indoor units, we are removing those altogether because that is a design nuisance. They don't look nice. A clean room without anything of that type would look much better. So what we are doing is we have designed a system in which only our ceiling is there, and from one end the cold air would be coming, from other end it will be going back. So there will be no lines underneath the ceilings, very clean ceiling, and no cassette boxes, no indoor units at all. The disadvantage with the current system is that at some places the people when they are sitting in front of the AC they feel pretty cool, like chilled, and corners वालों को heat लगती है. So the distribution of cooling is never even. That is number one problem. Second problem is the noise which it generates. Okay, so we are getting rid of both these problems. Very even cooling distribution throughout the room. We do computational fluid dynamics studies as to what will be the air flow, how the air should be circulated. So we need drawings of the spaces, and then the design comes from plans. And we promise that it will be very, very even distribution, very quick cooling in the space, and no noise. That is our latest launch from the Barisol Forte. So this is what we do. We do projects like car showrooms. We have done big car showrooms here in India. We have done Kia Experience Center in Cyber City in Gurgaon. We have done Lamborghini showroom at Mathura Road. So they use brands like Barisol. We have done Porsche showroom in Connaught Place. Many of you, whoever is from Delhi, they should visit and see this beautiful ceiling at Porsche showrooms and maybe buy some cars because of that. Okay. So the Porsche is using our brand. We have done Audi showroom in Dhaka. So it's beyond the Indian shores we are working. So a big Audi showroom has been done by us. And we are in the process of talking to lot many other big brands, international brands of cars. Then
So I
we
think
do
we should
retail
visit
showrooms.
Yeah.
Pardon?
I think we should visit these showrooms, especially for the
Yeah,
false ceiling.
you should
Then
see
think
to get a.
secondary to buy the car.
The idea is to sell the car, not to sell the ceiling, really. So, but then you should
No,
see
but we
how.
are here to see the ceiling and get new projects for you.
Correct. For a retailer, we make the car as an object of art. That is, we should make their product more sellable. We should not be selling ceiling. You should not be seeing the ceiling at all. When you are going in a retail showroom, you should be seeing the merchandise and buy more of that. Okay. So we create ambiances which help. Like we have done H&M store in Vasant Kunj. We have done Uniqlo. Uniqlo is a big Japanese retailer. They have just entered
Yes.
India about a year back. They are coming up with a lot of showrooms. So we have done Uniqlo showroom in Vasant Kunj and adding couple of more showrooms. High-end residences is like a bread and butter business for us. We do day in, day out. So that is what we do with Barisol. If you have any specific questions, I can answer now, or if the audience has some questions, we can answer those.
Yes, I do have one question. Very
Tell me.
basic question. हम
Tell me.
जब फॉल्स सीलिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं तो we just get two words in our mind, POP false ceiling and gypsum false ceiling, जो हम generally सुनते हैं. So why is stretch ceiling? What does stretch ceiling make different from POP and gypsum ceiling?
ये जब भी क्या होता है पीओपी सीलिंग जब भी आप कराएंगे उसमें कभी भी एब्सोल्यूट इवन नहीं आता है, कुछ ना कुछ अंड्यूलेशन रहता ही है जितना भी अच्छा करें. आजकल पीओपी सीलिंग वाले भी 70-80 रुपए 100 रुपए स्क्वायर फुट चार्ज करते हैं। फिर उसके बाद उसमें आपको पेंट, दूसरा क्या रहता है, जब एयर कंडीशनिंग की लाइंस वगैरह अगर नीचे से जाती है ना, कुछ पर्टिकुलरली इन कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज और रिटेल शोरूम, कुछ लीकेज वगैरह होगा तो पीओपी की सीलिंग क्रैक कर जाती है, जिप्सम की सीलिंग क्रैक्स कर जाती है, तो उसको फिर पूरा तोड़वा के रिफर्बिश करना पड़ेगा। हमारे केस में क्या होता है, पानी अगर गिरेगा ऊपर से तो वो नीचे नहीं आएगा, वो मर्चेंडाइज को खराब नहीं करेगा, फ्लोरिंग को खराब नहीं करेगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को खराब नहीं करेगा, और उसका पानी हम लगे लगे साइड से थोड़ा सा सीलिंग खोल के निकाल सकते हैं एंड वापस सीलिंग को एज इट इज फ्लैट करके लगा सकते हैं। So there are a lot of advantages in the long term and people save money. So there is risk prevention. If you use these ceilings in retail showrooms where you have high-end products, like let's say car, अगर एक Porsche की कार है 1 करोड़ रुपए की और उसमें पानी टपक गया, पेंट खराब हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, okay, so
Right.
this prevents any such risk if you use these type of products. एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड इतना रिसर्च हो चुका है, दिस इज अबाउट 60 years ओल्ड प्रोडक्ट, इंडिया में अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इट्स वेरी न्यू, रिलेटिवली न्यू, तो लोग धीरे धीरे समझ रहे हैं, क्वाइट मेच्योर्ड प्रोडक्ट दैट वे। तो जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैं इंटरनेशनली, द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैव सॉल्व दोस। लाइक आजकल ग्रीन बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं, तो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग्स में सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रिसाइक्लेबल होने चाहिए, तो अवर प्रोडक्ट्स आर रिसाइक्लेबल कंप्लीट। आपको ग्रीन बिल्डिंग में उसमें पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं जो आईजीबीसी से अप्रूव्ड है पूरा। इंडोर एयर क्वालिटी, क्या होता है कि आपने पेंट्स वगैरह कभी कभी के रूम्स में स्मेल वगैरह का फील किया होगा कि कुछ सॉल्वेंट्स वगैरह डाल देते हैं, आजकल वाटर बेस्ड सॉल्वेंट्स आ रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से
Yes,
पीवीसी
right.
की शीट्स जब होती हैं या पीवीसी की फ्लोरिंग होती है, उसमें भी कभी कभी स्मेल जनरेट होती है, विच इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल बिकॉज इट सॉल्वेंट्स वगैरह उसमें रहते हैं और वो आप जब इनहेल करते हैं तो लंग्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहती है। बट वी प्रॉमिस A+ इंडोर एयर क्वालिटी विद आवर मटेरियल, देयर आर नो हैवी मेटल्स, देयर आर नो थैलेट्स, all those things. एंड देन अभी लेटेस्ट सीलिंग्स में स्टार्च एज ए प्लास्टिसाइजर आ गया, सो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग में मतलब जो नेचुरल मटेरियल्स हैं वो एज ए प्लास्टिसाइजर यूज होते हैं, तो आप इसको जमीन में गाड़ दीजिए, जब यूज कंप्लीट हो जाए जमीन में डाल दीजिए, वो मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा, पूरा सेफ मटेरियल्स है। तो दिस इज हाउ द यूरोपियंस आर वर्किंग इन ब्रिंगिंग इन द लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी कि भाई ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स जो आती हैं वो नहीं है। तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज।
Wow, that's really, really amazing. And we're getting amazing inputs also. Interesting product range. Mr. Vishal is saying it's always great to see Sanjay sir talking so passionately about the product range.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
And we can see that. We can really see that. And
थैंक यू।
Sachin ji is saying amazing. Sunny ji is saying nice product. So yes, we're getting very amazing reviews from our viewers. So okay, so next
Now,
product you
Mr.
said
Kinjan,
about the
Kinjan is there. Mr. Kinjan Patel is watching this. He is from Zydus Cadila. Now, we have done their corporate headquarters. They have made a beautiful office in Ahmedabad by investing about 500 crores. Kinjalji was the project manager there, and he knows how beautiful these ceilings look. We did the complete aisle areas in that big project in Zydus in Ahmedabad. So we have done a lot of corporate. We have done HPCL head office. We have recently done Indian Oil in Hyderabad. We have done a lot of TV showrooms. Oh, sorry, this what do you call channels? Na? These news channel
okay.
rooms we have done, broadcasting rooms with our ceilings. So that is what we are doing.
Wow, that's really, really, really amazing and really fascinating to know about it. Uh, so next, I think you told us about some Trespa and some laminated sheets.
Yeah,
So we
Trespa,
would
as I
like to
told
know
you,
more about it.
yeah, Trespa is an exterior product. It's a high pressure laminate. High pressure laminate is means it's about 8 mm thickness material. It's a wood based product. एंड नॉर्मली लोग क्या करते हैं फसाड में आजकल, या तो पहले पेंट यूज होता था, आजकल फसाड में स्टोन्स यूज करते हैं, मोर सो हियर इन जयपुर एवरी बेंगलोर दे बिल्ड दे यूज ओनली स्टोन एंड दैट कॉस्ट में गो अप टू 600 to 800 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फुट। बट स्टोन में थोड़ा सा लिमिटेड कलेक्शन रहता है, मतलब डिजाइन्स आर वेरी सिमिलर एंड 90% ऑफ द पीपल यूज दैट, बट दिस इज अ हाई प्रेशर लैमिनेट and it's a man-made synthetic material but it's a wood-based material. So इसमें color options बहुत सुंदर सुंदर हैं. Surfaces are extremely beautiful. Means you have to touch the surface to feel the beauty of the product. I cannot explain you. We have beautiful metallic finishes. We have beautiful wood finishes, or 30 different wood finishes, metallic finishes. Our mats are super rich mat. एकदम black आप use करेंगे तो black is like real black, jet black, and you can do permutation, mix and match. So you can create beautiful shades. Trespa is a Dutch company, again about 60 years old company, mother company of high pressure laminate worldwide. Now in India, people have started introducing this product like green, merino. इन सब ने start किया है अभी 3-4 साल पहले से, but they are still trialing those products. मतलब उनके यहाँ क्या कलर उड़ जाता है, कलर फेड हो जाता है, या डीलैमिनेशन हो जाता है, ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं नए प्रोडक्ट में. बट इफ यू बाय फ्रॉम अ मदर ब्रांड लाइक ट्रेस्पा फ्रॉम हॉलैंड, those issues are not there. Their products have been there in the market for last 60 years, and in places like Middle East, दुबई में, दोहा में, वहाँ सब लगे हैं बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स में, जहाँ पे हीट रहती है, जहाँ पे मॉइस्चर रहता है, वहाँ पे भी पूरा यूज होता है. सो इंडियन weather is very typical. We have very high heat, very high cold, moisture. So all these things, the color should not fade away. We give 10 years of warranty. ये कलर आपका 19 भी नहीं पड़ेगा. लेकिन we have projects dating back to 1991, मतलब 30-30 साल पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिसमें कलर हल्का सा भी 19 भी नहीं पड़ता है. That is guaranteed. Okay, so beautiful project. जो आपका बेंगलोर डे 1 पे लगता है वही 30 साल बाद भी लगेगा. So if you spend slightly more on day 1, you will be enjoying it. No maintenance cost at all, no color deformation of the material, no delamination, and तभी कुछ cleaning is very easy. Just use high pressure hose and everything gets cleaned. And these are used as ventilated facade. वेंटिलेटेड फसाड का मतलब होता है जो मेन फसाड वॉल है उससे 88 mm 3.5 इंचेस आगे आता है, और चारों तरफ इसमें एयर गैप रहता है. 10 mm का ग्रूव्स रहती हैं जिससे एयर पास हो पाए, एयर सर्कुलेशन हो पाए शीट के चारों तरफ. बिकॉज इन द लॉन्ग टर्म इट हैज द थर्मल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ थर्मल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ 0.025%. वेरी वेरी स्मॉल इंक्रीज होता है हीट की वजह से, हाई हीट की वजह से. सो अगर हम उसमें एक्सपेंड करने का मौका नहीं देंगे तो वार्पिंग हो जाएगा शीट में. तो वी ऑलवेज डू वेंटिलेटेड फसाड. वेंटिलेटेड फसाड से एयर सर्कुलेट होती रहती है मटेरियल के चारों तरफ, एंड देयर इज नो सच वार्पिंग इशू. ऑल्सो इट गिव्स इंसुलेशन टू द बिल्डिंग. बीच में एयर कैविटी आ गई तो बिल्डिंग में इंसुलेशन आ जाता है, आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग का रिक्वायरमेंट कम हो जाता है. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द फसाड फ्रॉम हेवी रेन्स ऑल्सो. जब हेवी रेन्स पड़ती हैं किसी एंगल पे तो अबाउट 70% ऑफ द वाटर इस पे हिट करके वापस नीचे आ जाता है. इट डजंट हिट द मेन वॉल वगैरह बिल्डअप नहीं होता है, जो अंदर सीपेज का इशू, पानी बरसने की वजह से वो सब होता है, वो इश्यूज सारे रिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. And we have beautiful collection. Just go to the website trespa.com, TRESPA, and you would understand the beautiful range of offerings. Anybody is interested in any color or theme, we feel free to ask for the samples. We will immediately courier you the samples to have a first-hand feel of the product. Because photo में सब कुछ same लगता है. It is only when you feel the product surface तब difference पता चलता है. And another application for Trespa products which we are just starting with. Up till now we were doing only facade in architecture and construction. ये hospitals में जितने भी workshops होते हैं वहाँ पे chemical laboratories में जहाँ पे very rigorous chemicals use होते हैं वहाँ पे ये surfaces use होती हैं, because these are resistance against the heavy chemical, the hydrofluoric acid, sulfuric acid, 98% sulfuric acid, उससे कुछ भी नहीं होता है इन surfaces को. And we don't have a competition worldwide in this product. So जितने भी top hospitals हैं, chemical laboratories हैं, उनकी vertical surfaces में और worktops पर Trespa के panels use होते हैं. We have beautiful standard colors in this. So this and hood, जो thermal hoods होती हैं जिसमें high temperature होता है, उसकी interior linings पूरी Trespa की use होती हैं. So it's a very technical application. So anytime you find you don't find surfaces and you have a high technical requirement, contact us, probably we can help. Okay, so Trespa is in the very technical line of products used for facade in the construction industry as well in the hospital and chemical laboratory industries. That is what we do. It's a big company. It's
So
about
it can
300 million euro turnover company, which is about roughly about 2,700 crore turnover company, a global conglomerate, very very active in Europe and USA. India, वो कहते हैं नहीं, India is not our market. India, everybody wants cheap. So we said no, no. There are people, there are companies who are now willing to invest money for the long term for the good products. So we are pushing them hard to come in India, and don't think this as a cheap market. This is the futuristic market. We are just taking off. We are where the Europe was probably in the early 90s. So we are maybe 30 years behind, but then future is all India. That is how we convince these our European principals that please see this as a very, very big potential future market. That is what we do. Okay, that is our role in selling the
wow.
nation to them. Okay, we have to build India as the baseline of talk is let's build India together. So together we will give products which are world class. That is the idea.
Very,
Okay.
very, very well said, sir. And as you said, that this material can be used in exteriors as well as interiors also. So it's not limited to only to exterior,
Correct.
but हम उसको interiors में भी use कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
So that's
Correct.
really exciting. So
क्या होता है
I can
जैसे
see a
अभी
light.
आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वेरी नाइसली. अभी कोविड टाइम्स है ना, कोविड टाइम्स में एयरपोर्ट सर्फेसेज है, वर्टिकल सर्फेसेज, एयरपोर्ट में बहुत ज्यादा पब्लिक मूवमेंट होता है. तो वहां पे क्या होता है कि वो उसको डिसइंफेक्ट करते हैं कुछ केमिकल से. तो आज तो कोविड है तो उसके लिए वो हाइपो यूज करेंगे एंड हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड यूज करेंगे. कल को कुछ और दूसरी डिजीज आ गई तो उनको हो सकता है एसिडिक केमिकल्स यूज करने पड़े. तो आप सरफेस तो बार बार चेंज नहीं कर सकते, and your single surface cannot take all different types of chemicals. So this is very critical. You should have surfaces which can take all types of chemicals so that cleaning becomes easy. आप once in 24 hours बस clean करिए and it is done. It is such a solid surface. Density is very high. It is non-porous. So bacteria, microbiological impurities build up नहीं होती. That's why the Bangalore airport T2 and the Bombay airport arrival they use Trespa in all their vertical surfaces. जहाँ पे भी arrival junction में सब पूरा Trespa use किया हुआ है complete. And we are bidding for lot more newer, smaller airports coming up in India. So that is where our focus is, the big projects.
Great, sir. So I can see a live testimonial for you. Mr. Rajiv is saying, Vibrant has done an excellent job with Trespa for our residents. It's an extraordinary product. Thank you so much for your input, Mr. Rajiv. And
Thank you. Who has given the testimonial?
Mr. Rajiv
Achha, right.
Singhvi.
Oh, thanks, Ms. Rajiv ji. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's really interesting. So, sir, I would like to know what is the warranty for these kinds of products you provide us?
There's a 10 years written warranty which comes from Europe that nothing will happen, and informally we say that for 30 years the color will not change at all. Okay, so it's a 30 years the product will remain as it is. At Mr. Rajiv's place, I think it has taken 5 monsoons, and whenever you are in Jaipur next, Jyoti, we'll take you there. Have a look at the site. It looks absolutely new. Okay, no change in the product at all. Okay.
Definitely, I would look forward to, and I would love to see the product in real.
Thank you.
So, what is the if I talk about the fire thing, fire rating of the facade, and
Yeah.
this was trespass. So,
Yeah. Fire rating is very, very critical. You remember that London Greenfield fire in which so many people died about 2 years back, and it turned out that it was a facade problem. So my friend Mayank is there from the fire side of the business. So fire ratings are very critical of the facade materials as well as of the interior materials. And that's why projects like hospitals, 5-star hotels, the first thing they ask is what is the fire rating? Now,
yes.
fire rating is it's not because of the fire people die, it's because of the smoke that people die. Okay, so there are international standards of fire ratings. So all our materials are BS1 D0, means smoke rating 1, class 1. It will release smoke after a while, so 30 minutes or so, and then droplets. D0 means 0 droplets. So there will be no droplets generated of this material. because people die because of the smoke and the droplets. So the fire ratings are very, very critical. BS1, D0. I request all my architect colleagues to have a look at the detailed studies about the fire ratings. We can discuss this in detail, but our fire ratings of the materials are as per international norms, as per European norms and American norms. That is what we follow.
Okay, that's great. So you have been taking measures and precautions for all the problems that could be created after the installation and everything, like fire you said, and so many things you talked about. You have been already taking all the precautions.
Yes, yes, because these are top international brands and they take care of, they give all the validations, all the certifications. If I'm launching a product in hospital, it has to be thoroughly verified. All the documentations are required. Otherwise, they are not going to buy the product. An airport project like an airport project, they are not going to buy a product without certifications. So we'll give you all the certifications, green building certifications, indoor air quality, fire ratings, all those things have to be provided. So we take extreme care of the certification part of the project
Okay.
whenever
So,
pitching our products. Yeah, that is very, very critical.
so sir, if I talk about the pricing, if I come to the pricing range, so what from where does it start and till what end it
The
goes?
Barisol stretch ceiling generally starts from about 550 to it goes as high as 2,500 rupees per square foot. The plain backlights, which is our bread and butter business, they are in the range of about 1,000 rupees a square foot, lights excluded. Lights, you have to use Philips or Osram lights. And Trespa panels are about 1,300 to 1,500 rupees per square foot. That is the price
Okay.
bracket. Internationally, if you go for a quality facade material, nothing is available below 1,500 rupees per square meter. But in India, customers expect 200 rupees, 300 rupees products. But at those price levels, you don't make international quality facades with all these ratings and certifications. So those who are making big corporate projects, if you are doing an MNC project, please take care that you should not be asking for the L1 material because there are a lot of risks involved with the cheaper materials. If you pay for
Right.
Maruti, you get Maruti, and if you pay for Porsche, you get Porsche. And both of them, those are called cars, isn't it? But then there is a car and there is a car. So there's a difference. That's
Yes,
how you should say.
definitely. So Mr. Mayank Sharma is asking, he has one question.
Your
What's the
volume is coming very
inspiration?
low. It's difficult to,
Yeah. So is it okay now?
yeah, it's better, better, much better.
Okay. So Mr. Mayank Sharma is asking, he has some question. What's the inspiration behind your energy? So जो हम इतनी देर से देख रहे थे, you have full passion, you have full energy. So what is the inspiration behind that?
Inspiration is
So,
let's build India together. That is the inspiration. We should
wow.
build buildings which the generations to come should see and कि इंडिया ऐसा नहीं है जो इम्प्रेशन रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लेके जाता है वो हमको चेंज करना है. I feel happy when people take selfies before the buildings which we create. Okay, and I think my friend from Singhi ji will vouch for that कि इनका घर हमने किया था रेजिडेंस किया था एंड उसके बाहर लोग खड़े होके सेल्फीज खींचते हैं अपनी. So that is what gives us joy. Okay, we are not here to make money, we are here to bring joy to the next generation, to redefine the standards of architecture and construction. That is my passion. Okay.
That's really great कि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ financially नहीं, but you are working from the heart. आपके लिए वो छोटी छोटी खुशी भी मैटर करती है. That selfie thing you have mentioned. आजकल हर कोई selfies के लिए crazy है. But yes, that is a reward. Definitely, it is.
Thank you very much. Sure. Thank you.
So Mr. Sunil is saying brilliant use of technical textiles. We're getting so many nice comments from our viewers.
Yeah, yeah. My background is I am a textile engineer from IIT Delhi, and
Ye-
I've been a serial entrepreneur. I've done a lot of things. I am from the filtration background. Basically, I'm a liquid solid separation person, so I know about water filtration and cartridges and all that. I have been into mining industry. I have widely traveled pan India. I have been to the remotest villages of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Very few people would have traveled the way I have seen India,
Wow.
the farthest of the far places. So I have seen India, the remotest villages I have seen. Okay, because we used to get mining plants there, chemical plants, and I used to travel to sell my product. So I have intensive traveling experience. But then I was a designer by heart, so I always thought I should pursue my passion of creating something beautiful for the country. That is what brought me in to this design and architecture domain. I don't have a qualification, so don't ask me tough questions. Probably I will not be able to answer.
No, we'll ask you simple questions only.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you.
really lovely, you know. We can really feel the passion for you, for your business, for India. तो ये चीज हमें motivate करता है. At least this is motivating me to work more
Thank you.
harder the way you have
Thank
been
you.
doing. So thank you so much for educating us. And
Thank
Mr.
you.
Ronak Singhvi is saying, we as design firm are always interested in application of crisp product line offered by Vibrant. They really add value and statement to our project.
Thanks, Ronak. Thanks a
Amazing
lot.
testimonials.
We love doing your projects and love to learn from you. And you are the best person I have ever met. So humble, so lively. Ronak, heads off for you. Okay, I give your example to a lot of my friends and juniors that how can a person like be like Ronak? So great.
Wow.
Yeah, he's brilliant. You should, Jyoti, you should meet my architect friend Ronak Singhvi. So cool
Okay.
and so brilliant. Okay. Yes.
Definitely, definitely. अब मुझे लग रहा है जयपुर का ट्रिप बहुत जल्दी बनाना पड़ेगा because I have a
Yes.
list of works to do and list of people to meet there.
Oh, yes, yes. Most welcome. We look forward to your visit.
Yes, for sure. Soon. Again, Mr. Mayank is saying he is redefining sustainable architecture in India. Truly inspiring personality, sir.
Thanks,
Hats
man.
off.
Thanks.
Kudos. Thank you so much, sir. That has been really, really informative and educating. Thank you so much for educating us. And I would request our viewers to please contact him, to please let us generate business for him. And आपके पास कोई भी inquiry आती है, कोई you have any questions or something, please contact him. We have all our details on the talk FB page. So please contact him. And he is full of knowledge as you have been looking, and he's full of passion and energy. So let's grab some energy and let's grab some passion from him. Let's talk.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
So
So
thank
when
you,
is the next
friends,
session
for
planned? When
joining
is
us.
the next session planned so that the people can join our next sessions also? Maybe in 15 days
So next
time
week,
we'll have next week?
every week we'll be going
Every
for the
week,
live
okay. Oh,
session.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
So friends, please
जो
join. I
हमारे
think this is a wonderful group of the construction material entrepreneurs, and we will try to solve your problems related to this. We'll offer you wonderful range of offerings as a team. The best of the best brains from all over India. Thanks. Thanks, Jyoti, for your
yes.
time, and I'm very sorry for the
Thank you
goof
so
up which
much.
happened initially.
Not at all, sir.
Thank
At
you.
least you could
Right.
join us. We could talk.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thanks.
viewers. Thank you so much for
Thanks,
joining us.
viewers.
And
Bye-bye.
bye,
Bye.
everyone. Good night. Take care.
Bye.
मतलब मैं prepare किया था